Sweatshirt off.
Yeah.
Ezra is 10 years old, and it is March 24th or something like that. 25th. Look, there you go. And he's rocking out with a heavy hairdo. Heavenly!
I need to get something.
Wait, I want to see you.
Hi.
Hi. Heavenly is 4. Gonna be 5 in less than a month. Sunshine is 6. Puppy is 8 months. How old are you? How old are you? Huh? How old are you?
Could we make her?
I don't know. She was born in July.
Could we make her? She's old.
Oh, I almost tripped her.
And 5, yeah.
No, she's only a baby. And then there's Beaner. Hey, Jelly Bean. Beaner.
Hey, little girl.
Hi, Beaner. Oh, you got some food? Oh, you got some food? Is there some food in there? I'll have some food. I'll have some of that food. Sunshine, please don't do that.
Sorry. It's time to get up.
Really, you don't need to be in the middle of the video camera every time it's on, okay?
Hey. Hello.
Or maybe you do. Because you're just so pickin' cute.
Hi, Ezra.
You're obnoxious.
Don't mean so.
Sunshine seeds, you get in it now.
Love it, brother.
You get away from the video camera. I get into it. You get away from the video camera. You get away.
Again, it pushes her to the ground. What is it with big brothers?
You get away. You get away. You get away from the video camera. Ah!
She's like a puppy. She just keeps coming back for more.
Lickers bites.
Things we do right in our front yard.
Hello.
Hello. Standing in the doorway of our home. Hi, the dog's beating Ezra up in the background. What are you guys doing?
There goes them.
Eating roasted marshmallows.
Dang it.
What happened?
Roasting marshmallows and making s'mores.
S'mores. What's Ezra doing?
Good.
Dog wrestling.
Dad.
This is why those are all torn up, huh?
Tilt it over.
Dad, it looks like you got replaced for wrestling.
Yeah.
Dad, are you going to wrestle?
No. Ezra.
This is our home for the last 2 years.
We're finally leaving it, yay!
We're moving to Mana soon.
I'm gonna miss this place.
I know.
We won't be able
Hasn't
to
this
go
been
in-
so
oh, wait,
much
we will be able to
fun?
go in the forest.
That's true. Apple trees. Our forest. Mishkas? Is that it? Mishka? Listen to the music.
I'm gonna throw mine in the fire. So big one. I'm gonna throw mine in the.
It's the best s'more ever.
They took you down.
That was cool.
She's even more vicious when you are down.
Hear the woodpecker in the background. It's our cat. The back of Heavenly Sunshine's head.
Sorry.
And our other cat who's been treed by the dog. Skittle came back. We found her on the road. It was an April Fool's Day miracle. Hi, kitty. Every time I videotape you, you're up in a tree. Hi, girl. How you doing? Oh, she's just a little shadow.
I bet I could get her down.
Yeah.
Just shake the tree.
That's funny. Oh, 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 oh. That's so funny.
But
She like waits until he runs and then she chases her. He chases her. She chases him. Blah, blah, blah. Can't remember my... Oh goodness, she got off the ground wholeheartedly.
you should see her. She like jumps and tackles you really hard.
1, 2, 3.
When she has your hand, she just keeps dragging it. Skittles coming.
Ah,
Skittles coming down.
Skittle's coming down. Where is she?
A little lower.
Skittle! Come on, Skittle! Skittle, Skittle! Where is she? I hear that woodpecker. She's debating. Oh, her boy will call her down. Should I come down? She says, I want to. Boaz is down there. And I'll take a leap of faith right into his arms. You ready to catch her? That scared me.
Sorry. I was trying to scare you.
I know.
Look how tall I am. Look how tall I am.
Ah. Whoa.
Hello.